Guys, so working on a Spline project, I created a tornado and I'm going to show it. So, hold on, just 1 second. I created sound effects. So the funnel is right there. Might not see it, but there it is touching down. I know the funnel does not look good, but it's there, and then the dirt builds up on it. Right there. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed that, and if you want to see more like tornadoes and stuff like this that I've worked on uh that I worked on. Look at that funnel. I know you might not see it well because like the brightness is too high, so I'm gonna turn it down. Watch. Let me get close. Actually, you know what? I did edit the cloud about a minute ago, so I could change it right back to white for just a second. Wait, what does that say? 9F 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 9F. Okay, there you go. So the funnel is dark, so it's gonna come down from up there. This is an actual particle effect I just created on Spline. If you want to make stuff like this, all you have to do is go on Spline and try it out. Yeah. Hope y'all enjoy it and goodbye.